Hi guys. So a lot of you know I posted videos how discouraged I am and things going on in my life and the space that I'm dealing with it. Well, I got this package from Cherrywood a little while ago and I have not been able to open it up. It is for a new project that I'm doing, and do you want to see what's in there? Oh, it's really good. Hang on, let me switch the camera. All right. Oh, I lost my scissors. There they are. See, I'm just keeping it as real as I can. Are you ready? Oh, my mercy. Oh, so beautiful. Oh, yes. Yes, yes. Oh, this is wonderful. Look at that. I mean, just look at these colors all together. Oh, this is fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. This is going to be gorgeous. I will show you more as soon as I can, but it's going to be in the magazine next year.